Hey, welcome to my Automate to Dominate PLR review. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful done-for-you lead magnet package that lets you build your email list and automate your business growth effortlessly. And here's the exciting part. You don't need to write a single word, design pages, or spend hours creating content. Just grab this ready-made package, customize it a bit, and you're set. Make sure to stick around because I'll also break down all the upgrades, OTOs, so you know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new here, welcome. I've spent over 6 years mastering affiliate marketing and SEO, and I'm here to help you find the best tools to grow your online business faster. If that sounds good, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss future reviews. And here's a special treat. I've put together some exclusive bonuses that you'll get only through my link below. These bonuses are designed to help you get the maximum results with Automate to Dominate PLR. Check the description for details before they're gone. So, what is Automate to Dominate PLR? Automate to Dominate is a professionally crafted, done-for-you PLR lead magnet package that helps you teach your audience how to delegate and automate their business. It comes with a 7,300 plus word report, mobile-ready lead, capture pages, delivery pages, high-quality product images, promo banners, and fully editable source files. This is perfect for anyone who wants to build a responsive email list fast while providing real value without doing all the heavy lifting. No writing or tech skills? No problem. Everything is done for you and ready to plug in. Just remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This package gives you the content and tools, but your success depends on your effort and marketing. Standout features that caught my eye: ready to use, report and funnels, no content creation needed, mobile responsive pages, seamless experience on any device, editable source files, fully brand and customize the content, commercial rights included, sell, giveaway, or bundle for profits. How it works. Super simple. 1. Download the full package after purchase. 2. Customize the report and lead capture pages with your details. 3. Upload and promote to start building your email list immediately. No complicated setup or tech headaches. Upgrades, OTOs. What's available? After getting the main package, here's what you can unlock. Upgrade 1. Additional funnel templates and done-for-you email swipes. Upgrade 2. Video training on automation and outsourcing strategies. Upgrade 3. Premium DFY marketing materials and traffic strategies. Upgrade 4. Agency license to sell the package to clients. Pick what fits your needs and scale your business faster. What I love about Automate to Dominate PLR: saves tons of time with ready-made, high-quality content. Perfect for beginners and busy marketers alike. Flexible use, lead magnet, bonus offer, or resale product. What could be better? This is a PLR product, so it requires some customization to stand out. If you want something fully unique and customized from scratch, this might not be ideal. But for quick list building, it's powerful. Final verdict: should you get it? If you want a fast, professional, and hassle-free way to build your list and teach business automation, Automate to Dominate PLR is a solid investment. Grab it now through the link below and claim my exclusive bonuses inside Warrior Plus. They'll help you get the most out of this package. Thanks for checking out my Automate to Dominate PLR review. If you found this helpful, hit like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more honest, no fluff reviews. See you in the next one.